guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you're new here, today we are unboxing Ipsy's February box. Super excited about this. I have a feeling there's going to be quite a bit of pink stuff. If you don't follow me already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of unboxings and I've started posting more hair tutorials on my YouTube, whereas I usually post them on Instagram and my other social platforms. So go ahead and follow me if you'd like to see more of those. And without further ado, we're just gonna jump right in and get to unboxing. Ooh, I already see pink. We have our little glam bag here. I like the colors. It's almost like a paint design. Really pretty. And how fitting, it has a little heart zipper. Super cute. So in here we have a Grown Alchemist balancing toner, a little travel size, so I'll probably be refilling this once it's finished. But I haven't tried this brand yet, but I've of course heard really good things. So if you guys have tried this brand, let me know what you think. Oh, I just caught this. It says self-love is the best love on the bag. That's so cute. I've actually been focusing very much more on self-care this year because my birthday just passed and I only feel like I'm getting older, so self-care is like #1 for me right now. Next we have this Fluff Up Brown Wax by Benefit. I'm a huge Benefit fan. It's been a while since I've like purchased anything from them lately because I have so much stuff, but I'm gonna see how I like this stuff. This is one product I have not tried just yet. For my eyebrows, I'm usually using Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I do like a lot of their products, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive in that next. This next product is not very descriptive. I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, it's a little mascara. BFC. Yeah, I don't know. I can't quite say what this is, but it's a little mini mascara. And next we have Pear Nova, some lunar lip balm. My lips have been so dry lately, so I have been going through lip balms. Oh, let's see how this one is. Pearl Nova. It doesn't have a smell, but it kind of reminds me of, so Ipsy, or not Ipsy, Pixi, I do that a lot. Pixi actually has these vitamin C little lippies that are literally the same thing but a different color. And in the middle, it has like a pink little color in there, but this looks just like the Pixi little lippies. And this was in the shade Orbit, if you like this color. And last but never least, we have this intense liquid eyeliner in the shade Americano. It's kind of like a coffee color. Cali-e. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's in like a little liquid eyeliner tube. And that is it for what's inside the Glam Bag. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Glam Bag Plus. So as always, this is a matching bag with the Glam Bag, and it also says self-love is the best love on it. It's cute. It has these brown drawstrings, and it's the same pattern on the back. Really cute. I like the colors. Makes me happy. Oh, before I forget, sometimes I forget to even like check these out. This is their like theme of the month. So it says, this Valentine's Day, we are showing the love. So this is their theme, showing the love. You are loved. Really cute. Buy yourself flowers, wear a fragrance that makes you smile, give yourself a compliment, and trying that new lip color. This month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is indeed the best love. Now moving on, we have this Lovecraft Beauty number 9 makeup brush. It feels very smooth, it's cute, and it feels like good quality. Next we have something in this pink little bubble wrap, MOTD Blush Duo. I have so many blushes, oh my gosh. I feel like I just broke my nail. Well then, see if it'll go back on. Anyways, I was saying I have so many different blushes that I never really even wear them anymore, so I will probably give this away. But this is in the shade Pink Lace, if I can ever get it out. So it's in like a cute little pink box here. Oh, that's actually really cute. You be you, only better. That's cute. I might actually try this one. We have this from, oh, Beauty Bakery. Their stuff is so nice. I like their colors, their shades. I like the scents. This is Graham Cracker. Do it for the Graham Cracker eyeshadow palette. So I'm really curious to see if this one has a little scent inside. Oh. So I don't smell a scent, but the colors are very unique. I don't often see these colors, but I don't necessarily think they are for me, so we'll see. I might find something to use them for. Otherwise, I'll probably give them to like a family member or something, but I've just been getting to the point where I have way too many eyeshadow palettes that I don't know what to do with, because it's not very often that I really do much with my makeup anymore. I used to be very into it, but I don't know. It's not even like it's laziness. It's just, I really don't know what it is actually. I just haven't felt creative in my eyeshadow makeup, so we'll see. Maybe the next we have Saturday Skin. I literally just found this brand. I feel like I discovered them before, but I never actually like took the initiative to like look into them. But they are a vegan brand, and I was excited about hearing their award-winning items. So they're supposed to like really help your skin feel dewy and like luscious and just so smooth. That's like their whole vibe. So this is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I don't own anything from them yet, but I will. So I'm excited to see how this formula is. Okay, it smells like a cream that I would get from my doctor, but scent doesn't always concern me because sometimes unscented things are the better things. So I'm just gonna test this on my finger here and rub it into my hand just to see how it feels. But this feels really nice. It's kind of like jelly. It has a nice consistency. It's not like super watery, but not super thick either. Oh, my skin is gonna love this. I've been having like dry patches in my forehead and my cheeks here and even my chin. So moisturizer has been my best friend lately, but I'm really excited to try this out on my actual skin tonight. I'll probably just do a mask and throw this on. Now for the final product, we have this First Aid Beauty. I like their products. This is their calamine pore purging mask. Purify and smooth, safe for sensitive skin. Thank goodness, because my skin is sensitive. And all right, it helps combat visible pores, excess oil, and impurities. So since I have a mask and I have a moisturizer, I will probably try these combo tonight. Much, much needed. After all, self-love is the best love. Well, that concludes my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love unboxing these with you guys, and I'm excited for next month. I mean, I always get excited. It feels like Christmas every time I get a box, but let me know what you guys have received in your Ipsy boxes if you've received them yet. And I'm just excited to know like what your thoughts are. Like, are you excited about some of these products? And are any of these your personal favorites already? Again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you all in my next videos. And even if you just want to drop a hello, hey, how's it going in the comments section below, those make me happy and I love responding and checking in with all of you. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.